lovely people, Coupon and Crystal here with a little Target haul. I did the spend $25 and get $5 off, that category coupon that they have in this week's flyer beginning December the 31st. Okay, now I did the two of the Airwicks, and the reason why I did these is because I had that buy one get one free coupon. These are the ones that go in your automatic sprayer. These were priced at $5.19 in Target. That's a little expensive, I feel, considering, you know, I got them originally at Walmart for $4.88. But $5.19, when I do these type of deals, I try to have buy one get one free coupons, or try to get, you know, I try to get coupons that's gonna take my price down, because I'm trying to get the most amount of stuff I can for the lowest price possible. So I still had some of those Lysol coupons, those hang tag Lysol coupons. I had some of those remaining. So what I ended up getting, I got a bunch of the all-purpose cleaners. Okay, I got those Lysol. It's a bunch of glare right here where I'm parked at, but I got 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Okay, got 4 of those. Those all-purpose cleaners were priced at $2.29, and I had a 3 off of 4 coupon, so that was good. So that made me have 1 free and a little off of another one. And then I had another $2 hang tag coupon, 2 off of any 3 Lysol. So what I did the big bottles of multi-purpose cleaner. These are really big. This is 2 48-ounce bottles. Did 2 of those. Those were priced at $2.99 each. And then I got 1 of these because I was trying to get my amount to be, you know, the right amount. So I did 1 toilet, because y'all know last time I did this deal at Target, I got a whole bunch of these. But I've been using them. So I still got this one. This one was only what, $170. Can't see my receipt. I think it's $172 or $176, something like that. Okay, for that one. So what ended up happening, I purchased all these products on the 31st, right before they closed for New Year's Eve. Okay, and I'm just posting this deal. Never fear, lovely people, because what you're going to do, this is a category coupon. You need to make sure your subtotal is $25, at least $25. Okay, you're going to give them that coupon, or you're going to let them scan it on your phone, however you have it. Then you're going to give them your coupons. Okay, you don't want to give them your coupons first. Okay, because you want to make sure that your subtotal is the right thing. I always ask, even if I've already counted it 2 or 3 times before I get in line, in the event that something is on sale and I didn't know and it rings up cheaper, you're going to make sure your subtotal is $25. Okay, it's $25. Okay, fine. Then you hand them the category coupon. Then you hand them your coupons. All right, I did that and didn't realize when I got out of the store, until I got in the car, I looked at my receipt. One of my coupons, the $5.19 buy one get one free Airwick, one of them did not. The buy one free did not come off for some reason. I don't know if she was supposed to put it in and she didn't put it in, but at any rate, it was too late. The store was closed. So I went by to the Target yesterday, and I was going to return the whole purchase because it says at the bottom of the receipt, category coupon reduces refund value of qualifying items. All items must be returned for full refund. I didn't have a problem with that, because if I had to get my $5 off, it wasn't going to be a good deal. So the man was like, oh, no, we want you to keep everything. So he just gave me my $5.19 and the tax that I paid on the $5.19. So I was great. So in that, I was good. So my subtotal was $12.12. Now I feel, in my opinion, for all the cleaning products that I wanted and needed, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 items for $12.12. That was excellent for me because those spray cleaners, I'll use them in my bathroom and my kitchen. And plus I wanted to stock up on the air wicks because I had gotten the automatic sprayer. So I wanted to take advantage of those while they're on sale, because that's not something that I want to be just buying out of pocket. Not no $5 for no can of spray. I don't like that. So I hope this was helpful. If you can put you together a deal that is going to be good with that category coupon, I say go for it. Remember, clip to save. You will be amazed. Like and share this video with your other couponing friends, and give me that thumbs up if it was helpful for you. Bye-bye.